Hi friends, today we will discuss about HTML input types. First one is input type is text. So basically it defines a single line text input field, and this is the format of input tag. Type equals to text, and this is the ID, unique name for this input, and this is the name. Now we will see the result. So input type equals to this is the text field. So this is text field and this is text field, right? So when you can insert value here, any value, and you can submit here. Okay. So basically this is the type equals text. So this value in the form of text. And now second one is input type equals to password. Basically it defines a password field. Okay. And this is the format. Type equals to, we will write type equals to password, ID and name. Now we will see. So this is the username, this is the password. Okay. And you can insert here any name and password. Okay. So this value in the password field will not display. Okay. So because this is the password field, so it will not display. If you insert the value, it will not display because it is a password field, and then you can submit. Okay. So this is the password input type. Value basically it will not display. Now next one is input type submit. Basically submit, it is a button to submit the data. Okay. So this is the actually format we can write type submit. Now we will see. See. So basically this is the submit button, right? So it's input type. When we insert the values, any password, and then we can submit. Okay. So this is the thing. Next one is input type equals to reset. So basically it's a reset button that will reset all form values to their default values. Okay. And this is the structure. We can type equals to reset, and now we can see. So here you can enter username and suppose any name you can insert. If you click on the reset, it will be reset. So this is the functionality of reset. If you insert any value, then it would be reset. So that is the meaning of reset button, and this is the submit button. And next one is input type equals to radio. Radio basically defines a radio button. Radio button allows to select only one choice. You can select only one choice, and this is the format. Input type equals to radio ID, then name, and then the value. And now we can see the radio. So here it is a two values, male or female. You can select only one value, male, either male or female. not both. So this is the radio button basically. You can select only one values. After you can submit here. Next one is checkbox. Input type checkbox defines the checkbox allowed to select zero or more values. Okay, and now this is the code. You can select either one value, zero value, or more values. It depends. You have a choices. You can select one values, and you can select all values. You can select all values, and you can select none value also. And next one is input type date. Basically it defines the date field. Okay, you can select the date in the form. Here you can select the date, today date, and now any date you can select here like that. So this is the date format. Now you can submit button. Now next function is you can set minimum and maximum date. If you need in the function, you can set minimum maximum. Enter a date before 1990. So it will display all the value before 1990. You can see that 1989, 1988, 87, not after that. And here you will see the values after 2000. You can see that 2000, 2000, 2003, and so on. So this is the thing. You can set the maximum minimum date. And next one is input type email. Input type email basically it input field it will contain email address basically. It is okay. Here it would take please include an at the rate in the email address is missing. It will take only the email format values only, or value it will not take. So this is the email input. So it will you can insert the value in the form of email only. And now next one is input type file. It is basically used to upload a file, any file like resume, anything you can upload by any text documents you can upload by these functions. You can see to select a file you need to select any file you need to select. Suppose Now this is the thing. So basically it is used to upload any documents in the form. Okay, so friends, this is the end of the session. If you like